In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to see deleted messages in Messenger. This can be important because they might contain crucial context that clarifies misunderstandings, preserves accountability, or even provides evidence in various cases. To see deleted messages, open up Messenger. First, check your archives, as you might have mistakenly archived the chat. Tap right here and head to Archive. If confirmed there's nothing in the archives, get back and select Settings. Navigate to the very last option of See More in Account Center. Under Account Center, head to your Information and Permissions. Select Download Your Information. Then head to Download or Transfer Information. Choose your account and tap on Next. Head to Specific Types of Information. You want to only mark on messages to ensure the file is manageable. Head to Download to Device. Choose your date range. And after setting your preferences, tap on Create File. You will receive a notification when your file is ready to download. Tap on Download. It asks for your account password. Enter it for verification. Then download the zip file. Head to your Files app and select the downloaded file. It will extract. Go ahead and open the extracted file. Now open your Facebook activity folder. Click on the message folder. You will see all messages, each under specific timestamps. Well, that's how easy it is to see deleted messages on Messenger. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.